students, you are learning perimeter and area part you are learning. It's now, see, it's time to learn about the area of triangle. See, area of triangle can be solved through three ways. First of all, the area where one of the base is there and its height is there. On that base, if it has got the height, then half into base into height square unit. Then that will be the first formula. Then there is another formula which is called Heron's theorem, where if you know three sides of the triangle, then you can find out the perimeter, and then that can be root over of s. If it is, you'll have to find out the perimeter, and perimeter divided by 2 you'll have to make it. That is called semi-perimeter. So semi-perimeter, root over of semi-perimeter into semi-perimeter minus side A into semi-perimeter minus side B and into semi-perimeter minus side C. That, and then equilateral triangle, you have got different formula which is called root 3 by 4 a square if A is the side. Let us talk. First I will emphasize on all the formula. You see, what will be the formula? Area of a triangle, half into base into height. Half into base into height is where? Suppose you have got a triangle. You have got a triangle like this. Okay. Here the height is, you are knowing it. Your height you are knowing, and at both base you are knowing. If this is base and this is height, both the measurement you know in that formula. This half into base into height can be for all the right angle triangle. Why? Because right angle triangle, one will be base and another will be perpendicular, isn't it? Perpendicular means that is the height of the triangle, and this one is hypotenuse, which you don't need it. So half into base into height will be the formula for a right angle triangle always. What is the formula of a triangle? Half into base into height, where the base and the height is given, and especially for right angle triangle. That's all formula 1. Now formula 2 is what? Formula 2 is, any triangle, if you know three sides, any triangle, say about it's a triangle, this three sides, here it is 12, here it is 10, here it is 8, suppose. Centimeter. So you can find out the perimeter. Perimeter will be what? 12 plus 10 plus 8, isn't it? That will become, 30. So semi-perimeter will be what? Semi-perimeter is, perimeter divided by 2, which is denoted as S. So S will be the semi-perimeter. Side A, this is A, this is B, this is C side. If it is, then area of the triangle will become root over of S, that is semi-perimeter, into semi-perimeter minus 1, into semi-perimeter minus B, and semi-perimeter minus C. Could you understand? This is Heron's theorem, where you know all the sides of a triangle where the base and height is not given to you. Okay. Now moving on to the third formula of triangle, which is for equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle has got a peculiar formula. If a triangle is equilateral, all the sides are equal, then it has got the formula like, and if every side will be same. So if it is one side is A, this will also be A, this will also be A. So it will be root 3 by 4 a square. So equilateral triangle formula will be root 3 by 4 a square. I hope you have understood three formulae. Now let us undertake some of the exercise. I have taken question number 3, where it is said to you the area of a triangle is 216 centimeters square, and one of the side of the triangle measures 24 centimeters. Then you have to find out the height from that side which is given to you, that is 24 centimeters. That means the figure will be like that only. A triangle is given to you. A triangle is given to you, and suppose this is 24 centimeter, and then you have to find out the height. This is the height, exactly. This is the height. You have to find out the height where the area is given to you 216 centimeters square. So given is area 216 centimeters square, base is given to you 40 centimeter. You need to, therefore you can put in the formula of area. Area is equal to half into base into height. Height is that particular only. So you need to find out the value of h in this. So if it will go with 2. So 12h is equal to 216. So 216 by 12 will be the h value. So h value will be what? 216 by 8 means 216 by 12 means 8. So therefore the distance from the corresponding vertex from the side or the edge distance from the corresponding vertex, from this vertex the distance means exactly the altitude. Could understand? That will be 216 by 12, which will be 18, and it will be 18 centimeter. I hope you have understood. Now moving on to some of the questions I have taken question number 6, where find the area of a triangle of side 13 centimeter, 14 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Three sides given to you. 13 centimeter is given to you, 14 centimeter is given to you, 15 centimeter is given to you. Now, which formula you will implement? Three sides given to you. Definitely Heron's theorem. That is root over of s within bracket s minus a within bracket s minus b in s minus c. If a, b, c are the three sides and AC is the semi-perimeter. So find out the perimeter first. So if the triangle ABC are the side, then this, so perimeter of the triangle will be 13 plus 14 plus 15, which is equal to 42 centimeter. You need to have the semi-perimeter. So 2s is equal to 42 centimeter. AC will be 42 by 2, that is 21 centimeter. Perimeter divided by 2, you need to find out, that is semi-perimeter. You have found out that. Now the area of the triangle under this formula, root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, that is the formula. So a is here 13, b is 14 and c is 15. So you have subtracted. So root over of 21 into 8 into 7. If you subtract this, you will find 8. If you subtract it, you will find 7. If you subtract it, you will find 6. So root over of under root over 21 into 8 into 7 into 6 centimeter square. Now 21 is with 3 into 7. Now 8, 2 into 2 into 2, then 7 already is there, and 6, 2 into 3. Out of this 2 prime number, you pick 1 out of the root over. So you know how to find out the root over value. 3, 2 are there out of that, 1 is out of the root over. Now 7, 2 are there, 1 you have picked. 2, 4 are there, so 2 you have to pick. So the area will be how much? Area will be this much, 3 into 7 into 2 into 2. So area will become 84 centimeters square. You found the area of the particular triangle. You need to find out the height where the base is given to you. Where the base is 14 centimeter. They are telling in this triangle, 13, 14 and 15. Suppose 13, 14 and 15. No, you have to find out this height. You know the base is 14, you know the total area is 84, so you can find out height by this formula. Half into base into height is equal to 84, so half into 14 into h is equal to 84, h is equal to 84 by 7, which is equal to 12 centimeters. So two answers are there. Answer 1 is 84 centimeters square, answer 2 is 12 centimeter. I hope you have understood it. Now let us take one sum from equilateral triangle. I have taken question number 9. If the area of an equilateral triangle is 36 root 3 centimeter square, find the length of side and its perimeter. Fine. It's very straight sum. Area of the equilateral triangle formula is root 3 by 4 square. Got it? Now root 3 by 4 a square is equal to 36 in root over 3 centimeter square. So a square will become what? This will go other side. So it will become 36 into root 3 into 4 divided by root 3, 36 into root 3 into 4 divided by root 3. So root 3 will be cancelled, and then a square will become 36 into 4. So a will become what? Root over of 36 into 4. So 6 square is 36. So a will become 6 and 2 square is 4. So a will be 6 into 2 centimeter, that is 12 centimeter. So each side of that equilateral triangle became 12 centimeter. What will be the perimeter of that? Perimeter of an equilateral triangle. What is the formula? 3 into a. The 3 into side. 3 into 12. That what the perimeter will be 3 into 12. That is 36 centimeter. I hope you have understood it. Now let us take another sum where the right angle is given to you. If the ratio of the base and the hypotenuse of a right angle is of a triangle is 4:5. Find the perimeter of the triangle, and the perimeter of the triangle is given to you 48 centimeter. Find the area. See, you do not know the third side. Okay, fine. For a right angle triangle, can you say the right angle triangle, if it is there, then how, if base and base and hypotenuse is given to you, h is given to you, base is given to you, h is given to you. You need to find out p. P will be what? Root over of a square minus b square, that is Pythagoras theorem. You will have to know the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square for a right angle triangle. Similarly, perpendicular square will become what? Is equal to hypotenuse square minus base square. So perpendicular will be root over of hypotenuse square minus base square. That is what you will need to do. Let the base be 4x. It is given in ratio. So let it be 4x and hypotenuse be 5x. Therefore perpendicular will be what? A square, hypotenuse is h, a square minus b square, 5x square minus 4x square. If you find out the value, no. If you find the value, you will find, see, 25x square and 16x square. 25x square minus 16x square, 9x square. Root over of 9x square is equal to 3x. So you got the perpendicular. Here it was 5x, here it was 4x. So you got this one as 3x. Now you know all the side in respect to x. So perimeter is that, perimeter will be 5x plus 4x plus 3x. So therefore the perimeter, the three sides of this, perimeter is 48. Therefore 4x plus 3x, 5x plus 3x is equal to 48. 12x is equal to 48 and x will become 4. 12x will become 48 divided by 4, that is 4. 48 divided by 12, that is 4. So base will become what? 4 into 4, because you have to find out the height. Base became 4 into 4, no, because the base was only having 4x, so 4 into 4, that is 16 centimeter. So perpendicular will become 3 into 4, that is 12 centimeter, and area will be what? You need to find out the area when half into base into height. Height will be the perpendicular. So that is why base and perpendicular square value you have taken out 16 centimeter and 12 centimeter. So area will be half into 16 into 12 centimeter square. If you solve it, 8 12s are 96 centimeter square will be the answer. Okay children, I will give you hints of some of the figures, how will you solve it. I will tell you, this is very simple only. You need to just draw the figure properly. You need to find out the total area first. Then I will take a question number 13. I will discuss with you. Doubt if any, you will just talk to me. Suppose there is a rectangle given to you, big rectangle given to you, and its side it is given to you. Dimension means length and breadth given to you. Suppose this is a rectangle given to you, and in that there are triangles. There are some figures, some plane figures again. Here is a triangle. Here is another triangle. Here is a triangle again, and here is a square. Got it? See, the dimension given to you. Whole is shaded out of this is unshaded, this is unshaded, this is unshaded, this is unshaded. You can find out the area of this here, 8 and 10 given to you. So hypotenuse is given to you and perpendicular is given to you. You need to find out the base. So 10 square minus 8 square, that will be 100 minus 64, that is 36. Root over 36 will become 6. So what will be the area? Half into base into height, 8 into 6. Half into 8 into 6, you will find the area of this. You find the area of this. Here it is given 10, 10 and 10. So equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 a square into it. So root 3 by 4 a square means 10 square, that is 100. So you will find out the area of this also. If you don't want to go for that, then if you go with the this formula, Heron's theory also will do. Heron's theory will be 13, that is 15 will be. S will become 10 plus 10 by plus 10, 30 by 2, 15. So area will be 15, root over of 15 into 15 minus 10 into 15 minus 10 into 15 minus 10. That also will do. If you do it, then what will come? Just say 15 into 5 into 5 into 5, root over of that. So it will become 3 into 5 into 5 into 5, 3 times 5, isn't it? Into 5, 4 times 5. So 5 into 5 root 3. So it will become 25 root 3. Root 3 value you can put it. Root 3's values up to 3 decimal place will be 1.732 root 3 value. So you can put root 3 value 1.732. This will be the area of this. Then you find out the area of this square. It will be a square. 3 into 3 it is. Then find out the area of this one. It will be again hypotenuse and base is given to you. You have to find out the perpendicular one. So that will be 5 square minus 4 square root over of 5 square minus 4 square root of 3. So you have to find out that way the area. You find out the area of this, 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 find out the area of the entire figure, then subtract adding all the areas. So you can do it. Doubt if any, I'll definitely solve.